to show in this video how to change product labels. Very simple, but I'm also going to show how to organize your product labels. I like to have something like this. It has all the different labels laid out neatly and nicely. Comes in two sections. You have a top section, all these individual little compartments I can put my labels in. Makes it so much faster and easier when I'm in the field and I know when I run out of something. It's a great way to go. See, it has a top section. It also has a lower section that comes out. More containers, lots of labels, all my energy drinks, my juices, my electrolyte replacement beverages. I can keep fresh labels in here with our company information on them in case those get messed up. Things like X-Acto blades, Sharpies if I need to write something. Very useful to have when you're out on the route, because you want your machines to look professional with nice labels. All right, so this is a machine we purchased from a vendor who went out of business. Things you want to notice that make it where people don't want to use the machine. It's not professional. They're not going to get recommendations and referrals to other customers. The machine has tape all over it in different places. Machine's really dirty. As you can see, some of these labels are handwritten. They're faded. This one's actually in upside down. These, I can barely read what's supposed to be in here. You see, it just doesn't look professional. This Pepsi label is just old. No one's even going to recognize this. So you're not taking advantage of all the marketing that's out there. So we're going to show you how to change these labels. So you just reach in. You can see you're going to reach the side tab of this. And we pull this label out. We then want to take a look at whatever menu we've created for this machine. Go right into that wonderful label box we have. We're able to pull out a nice, fresh, professional-looking label. We're going to go ahead and just slide that in there. Much better. And we'll go through and do that for each selection. If your label is old and yellowed and not using the current marketing stuff, you just want to go ahead and replace it. Sometimes with these older labels, they may even break off on the edges, so you have nothing to grab to pull out. Well, when that happens, there's usually a hole right here that you can put something in. Careful not to scratch the acrylic in the front and feed it out a little bit. That's what that hole's for. You pull that out. I also often have a pair of small needle nose pliers for things, so if a little piece of it gets broken, I can reach in, just grab it with my needle nose pliers and pull it out. So you can see here we've changed the first 5 labels out, left the 3 previous handwritten labels at the bottom. Just look at the difference, how easy it is for the customers to see the product they want. It looks sharper. People are going to assume that the product inside is fresher and cleaner, more inviting, just by changing your labels.